Good afternoon. Myself Kulsum Siddiqui. I am pursuing PhD from Mangalayatan University, and co-author Saad bin Nazar has completed his PhD from Aligarh Muslim University. The title of the presentation is Impact of COVID-19 on Digital Marketing. Let us begin the presentation. Introduction. The COVID-19 has impacted almost all spheres of life. Its impact on digital marketing is a significant one. It has changed the buying behavior of consumers from traditional shopping to digital marketing. The outbreak of COVID-19 has impacted almost our lives in every way and multiple businesses across the world in unprecedented ways. Digital world is evolving. New prospects and digital marketing trends are now the mantras to survive in the market. Digital marketing is an essential tool in the hands of brands and marketers for implementing marketing strategies. During the pandemic period, the spread of deadly virus has made people scared to go out for traditional shopping experience. In the present scenario, digital marketing is at heart of all companies. COVID-19 has put digital marketing on the boom and marked way for further development and enhancement of digital marketing activities. COVID-19 COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Some have mild to moderate symptoms. People are avoiding going outside due to lockdown. Digital marketing has come as a savior. As we are seeing the second wave of COVID now recently, and again digital marketing is the only tool which people are relying at the present moment. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop, computers, mobiles, phones, and other digital medias. Digital marketing is also called as online marketing, is connecting to potential customers through digital platforms. Is the act of promoting and selling products and services by leveraging online marketing tactics such as social media marketing, search marketing, and email marketing. There are 7 different types of digital marketing: search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, mobile marketing, and marketing analytics. The research gap of the study is limited studies have been done on impact of COVID-19 on digital marketing. In Indian context, studies are limited. Objective of this study will be to analyze the impact of COVID-19 on digital marketing in India, to understand the present status and trends of digital marketing, to understand the impact of COVID-19 in various sectors. Research methodology. It is descriptive, quantitative as well as qualitative. Mixed approach will be adopted. Data will be secondary sources. Data will be collected through journals, newspapers, articles, websites, and books. Sample characteristics will be digital marketing in India. Discussion. Organizations should take care of their customers and try innovative ways. Secondly, digital platforms should be used in present scenario of COVID-19 for safety and maintaining social distance. References. These are the references. Thank you very much.